Up YouTubers, today I'm going to record me changing my i8's air filter. I'm going to do a K&N. You don't have to. Probably isn't going to increase your horsepower. Negligible difference in sound. But either way, this is how to change the air filter. And thanks for watching. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Same as a lot of other filters that BMW carries. Go down here, take these, turn them counterclockwise, pick up, pull out, slide to the side. Now you may have bolts right here. If so, remove them. You're gonna have these things all around here. Take them off. Pick up, pull out. Two clips right here, remove them. Little plug right here. Undo that. Preferably unscrew this. It's a flathead. And just slides out. Slide it to the right, up and out. Grab your filter. Making sure there's nothing in the intake. Take the new filter out. Yeah, I guess it's true, size doesn't always matter. Check the size. Even though it's just not as long, it's shorter. It's shorter and darker. Put the filter in like that. This fuck, I don't know which way it goes. Fuck. So these are the clips. I swear some shit just fell on it. Should have cleaned my air filter before putting it back in. Should have cleaned the top of it so debris doesn't fucking fall on this side and it gets sucked in. Again, you should be able to see these hooks, at least the front one. But if not, you can do it just by trial and error. Pop these back on. Make sure to get your air filter all the way on. Make sure to plug in the mass airflow sensor. Tighten the screws, reverse the process. There you go.